But let's switch gears, Alaji. A man you know very well, former governor of Kaduna State, your former governor actually, Malam Nasir El-Rufai. His travails currently, let's be very direct, Alaji. I know you're a very forthright man. Is this justice being served, or is it political persecution by the presidency? What is it, in your opinion?
I will not give, first, if the matter is still in court, it's sub judice to discuss it.
It's not in court, it's just been arraigned now. They've not taken pleas or whatever, so we can discuss it.
What are since you know and you have the question, what are his offenses? What are the offenses for which is being charged? Well, what I can advise, I must say, detention has a time frame for which you can detain.
Absolutely.
Don't detain in perpetuate.
Exactly.
You get what I mean? The Constitution is extremely clear onto the detention. So that's what I'm going to address. The detention. Is it correct for ICPC or EFCC or police or whoever to arraign Nasir El-Rufai or indeed any other person over and above the time stipulated? I thought that when you are doing your investigation, therefore, when you arrest, is to begin the process. Then you put on bail as is required by law.
Yes.
If he meets the law of the bail, for goodness sake, bail. And can we stop giving these bail terms that doesn't make sense? The man must be a director in the government. Which director in government will put his head to come and you must have a house in Asokoro? You are denying the man bail.
Exactly.
You are denying bail. So for God's sake, can we now begin to do things properly? And that brings me back to our judiciary. Because I pray, over 35 years ago, a friend of mine, who in fact refused to be a son, I won't call his name, told me that no foreign man will bring his money into Nigeria with the kind of judiciary we have. Because the judiciary plays a strong role in our economy, in our very existence.
Absolutely.
Because they call them the hope of or the bastion of hope for the common man.
Yes.
It seems that they have lost that. Judiciary will walk into the minister's office and beg for land. Where is this done? In the glare of the public. I hope and I pray that is not true. You lead your team of judges to the office on courtesy call.
Oh, it is true, sir. It wasn't done in secret.
I'm just saying. Where is it done in the world?
Nowhere.
How can you do that?
Except in the banana.
How can you get justice against this minister that you paid the courtesy call for, who has obliged you? One good turn
deserves another.
And that seems to be where we are now.
Still on this El-Rufai issue, you were the DG of his campaign in 2015, if I'm not mistaken, sir.
No, I wasn't. Sule Hunkuyi was the DG of his campaign.
Oh, Sule Hunkuyi. But you played a prominent role in that campaign.
I was the Deputy Director General of the Obasanjo Atiku campaign.
Oh, okay.
In 2003. But also, in his own election, I've been very clear.
Yes.
I wasn't on his side.
Oh, okay. Oh,
yes,
okay.
I was with Ashim.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But when he became governor-elect, I was in the transition.
Okay.
I was in the Education and Media Committee of that
transition. Okay. Anyway, why I mentioned that is that, it's somebody you know very well. And you're from Kaduna State yourself, and you know the local politics of Kaduna very well. Now, Suleiman Nkuyi, senator, his campaign DG, just like you said. And he went to the Senate when Malam became governor. Yeah. Malam Nasir fought practically everybody who worked for him to become governor. Suleiman Nkuyi, he made sure he never returned to the Senate. He made sure Shehu Sani never returned to the Senate. Some fought traditional rulers, demolished people's homes, including Suleiman Nkuyi and all of that. Some are saying that it is karma, that Malam Nasir did not manage number one, diversity of Kaduna very well. He did not manage Kaduna with empathy. He did not govern with empathy, and so on and so forth. What do you have to say to this?
What I'm saying is that I cannot challenge his style of governance.
Okay.
Everybody has a style of governance, and that to him, you get what I mean, is how he thought he can best govern. You get what I mean? So that is for the people to judge moving forward. I can't condemn his style of governance, even though I don't like it.
Uh-huh.